Hello! Welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining me. If you're back and you already subscribed, welcome back. My name is Daniela. I help women gain to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. I really invite you to go and check out the rest of my channel. I put out content twice a week. So much good stuff on there, at least I think it's good. It's up to you to decide. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. Today, super special recipe. I'm so proud of this one. I think it's gonna make your keto, carnivore, animal-based, low-carb life so much more fun with this recipe. It's carnivore, animal-based, protein sparing, you can call it that as well with few correction. Fish tacos. I just had this idea to make fish tacos because last week I made the recipe for my mango, chili and garlic sauce, like dipping sauce, and I thought this would go really well with fish. And I tried it and it was really it pairs so well with fish. And then I already made tacos a while ago, carnivore tacos. Go have a look. And I was like, let's make some fish tacos. Like everyone loves fish tacos. And yeah, let's go and have a look how to make this amazing fish tacos. So first we're gonna make the taco base, like the actual taco, which is the usual Indigo's Nili recipe, which calls for 2 tablespoons of beef gelatin, 6 tablespoons of egg white protein powder. I put a bit of turmeric to make them look like kind of corn tortillas, and then half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well, and then we're just gonna do in the pan, very simple, 1 spoon at a time. You spread it out nice and thin, cook it quick. I'm talking I cook each one maybe 10 seconds. You don't want to overcook it, dry it out. You want to keep it nice and soft, and then I keep them under a cloth that's been there's a bit damp, just to keep them from drying. This dough dries so fast. So then I just prepared some fish. You can use any fish you want, salmon, whitefish, anything. Or you can use prawns, seafood, amazing. So whatever you choose to use. So I decided to use this white fish, which I then decided to try and bread. I'm not gonna even tell you the disadventures I had with these pork rinds, because in the UK we don't have just pork panko, or you have to order it from the US, super expensive. And the ones I found here, they were awful. So I just bought a kilo of pork rinds, and they are so fatty. Wherever you try to make pork panko of it, it just becomes this fatty paste. I've been faffing with it all day. Don't even let's just forget about it. So I managed to bread a few pieces, and then a few pieces I didn't. So the way I breaded it is in some whey protein powder, which acts like flour, then egg, which added a few spices, garlic, onion, paprika, and the pork rinds, the crushed pork rinds. And some I just left them natural with just the whey protein powder. Since it was already on the plate, I just coated it just to use it up. But you can just do cook the fish any way you want, to be honest. Air fryer, oven, deep fry, up to you. It's gonna be amazing in any way, basically. So once you cooked all the fish, you basically, it's up to you what you want to add. I just made like a little salsa with tomatoes and avocado, or you can just leave it out, make it carnivore. It's up to you. For me, this looks just an amazing, like, kind of fiesta party. Like, you have the tortillas, you have the fish, the mango chili garlic sauce, and the like freshness from the tomato and the avocado. For me, this is like perfect combo. But as I said, it's up to you. This for me is like the perfect combination. You could add, if you do a bit more carbs, you could do like a mango salsa, or yeah, it's like totally up to you basically. I just wanted to give you this amazing idea, and like if you bring it to anyone, even the people who in your family who don't eat low carb, I'm sure they're gonna love it. Yeah, I hope as usually that you enjoy this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below how would you make your fish tacos or seafood. If you're gonna try my salsa, go and have a look at that. Like the salsa, the sauce is really worth it. It's mostly animal based, doesn't have much plant food, so I really recommend it instead of the store-bought stuff. But yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click like to this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.